हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन और उसके एप्लीकेशन पर बेस्ड न्यूमेरिकल्स हम सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट, a wheel rotates with a constant angular velocity of 600 rpm. What is the angle through which the wheel rotates in 1 second? So 1 सेकंड में वो व्हील कितना एंगल रोटेट करेगा ये हमें निकालना है। ऑप्शंस दिए हैं ए बी सी डी। लेट अस सॉल्व। उसका स्पीड है 600 आरपीएम। सो इस स्पीड से हम उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल सकते हैं। फ्रीक्वेंसी एन इज इक्वल टू 600 divided by time is 60 seconds. So 600 rpm, एक rpm revolutions per minute. So 600 divided by 60 is equal to 10 rps. ये हुआ frequency. The angle described in one revolution is equal to 2 pi 360 degree. The angle described in one revolution is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, angle in 1 second is equal to 2 pi into n is equal to 2 pi into n is 10, which is equal to 20 pi, and the unit is radians. So this is the answer. So correct option is B, 20 pi radian. Second है, a wheel of diameter 20 centimeter is rotating at 600 rpm. The linear velocity of particle at its rim is. So इसमें हमें क्या निकालना है? linear velocity. V. Okay. So given data क्या है? Diameter D is equal to 20 centimeter. So from this we can write R is equal to 10 centimeter, half of the diameter. Then speed is given 600 rpm. So its frequency n is equal to 600 divided by 60 is equal to 10 rps, right? So linear velocity v is given as r omega, and omega is equal to 2 pi n. Therefore v is equal to 2 pi r into n. So इसमें हम वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे। v is equal to 2 into 3.142 into 10 into 10, right? So v is equal to 6.284 into 100. So v is equal to 628.4 centimeter per second. So this is the answer. So correct option is D, 628.4 centimeter per second. Third है, a wheel is subjected to uniform angular acceleration about its axis. Initially, its angular velocity is 0. In the first 2 seconds, it rotates through angle theta 1, and in next 2 seconds, it rotates through angle theta 2. So what is the ratio theta 2 by theta 1? So options दिए हैं A1, B2, C3 and D4. So let us see how to solve it. So इसमें हमें क्या निकालना है? ये रेशियो निकालना है थीटा 2 बाय थीटा 1, तो एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन का रेशियो निकालना है। इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हम लॉज ऑफ मोशन अप्लाई करेंगे। we have theta 1 is equal to omega 0 plus 1 half alpha into t square. Omega 0 is initial angular velocity plus 1 half alpha is acceleration and t is the time, right? So omega 0 is the initially angular velocity is 0. Omega 0 is 0 plus 1 half alpha into t is 2 seconds. In first 2 seconds it rotates through angle theta 1. So for theta 1 it is 2. So theta 1 is equal to 1 half alpha into 4. Theta 1 is equal to 2 alpha. So alpha is equal to theta 1 by 2. Now again applying the same law for next 2 seconds. Next 2 seconds. What we have? Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to omega 0 into total time t plus 1 half alpha into t square. So now total time is 4 seconds, right? So theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to omega 0 is 0 plus 1 half alpha into 4 square. So theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 8 alpha. 4 square are 16 divided by 2 8, right? इस इक्वेशन से हमें अल्फा की वैल्यू पता है थीटा 1 बाय थीटा 2. सो पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन दिस इक्वेशन, थीटा 1 प्लस थीटा 2 is equal to 8 into theta 1 by 2, right? So what we get? Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 4 theta 1. Theta 2 is equal to 3 theta 1, and from this हम रेशियो लिखेंगे थीटा 2 बाय थीटा 1 is equal to 3. So correct option is C, 3. Next numerical. A van is moving with speed of 108 kilometers per hour on level road where coefficient of friction between tires and road is 0.6. For the safe driving of van, the minimum radius of curvature of the road will be. So it is asked minimum radius of curvature of the road. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. So इसमें क्या दिया है? Speed of van is 108 kilometers per hour. So हमें इसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So to convert this into meter per second, you have to multiply it by 5 by 18, which gives 18 6. 6 into 5 30 meter per second. So हमारा स्पीड आया in meter per second 30 meter per second. Coefficient of friction between tire and road is mu s equal to 0.6. और क्या दिया है? बस, और g equals to 10 meter per second square. So with the help of this data we are going to solve the numerical. हमें क्या करना है? देखिए, what is asked? The minimum radius of curvature. So हमें निकालना है safe speed, V safe, for the horizontal road. Horizontal road. So V safe is equal to हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है अंडर रूट म्यू एस आर जी, राइट। तो ये फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है। तो वी सेफ इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट, वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे, म्यू एस की वैल्यू है 0.6 इंटू आर निकालना है हमें, अननोन है, आर इंटू जी की वैल्यू है 10, और वी सेफ की वैल्यू क्या दी है, सो इट इज 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 30, so which is equal to what we get, 900 is equal to 0.6 into r into 10, so r is equal to 900 divided by 0.6 into 10, so r is equal to 900 divided by 0.6 into r into 10, so r is equal to 150 meter. So the safe radius of the minimum radius of curvature of the road will be 150 meter. So correct option है C. Next, what is the smallest radius of curvature on a horizontal road at which a cyclist can travel if his speed is 36 kilometers per hour and the angle of inclination is 45? The angle of inclination is 45. The value of G is given. So here देखिए, एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन का मतलब क्या है, द रोड इज बैंक, सो रोड का बैंकिंग किया हुआ है, सो एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन इज दिस एंगल थीटा, इट इज 45 डिग्री, राइट। दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल। सो गिवन v इज इक्वल टू 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर, इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर पर सेकंड में, तो कैसे करेंगे, 36 इंटू 5/18 इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकंड, देन एंगल थीटा इज गिवन 45 डिग्री, द वैल्यू ऑफ g is given 10 meter per seconds. From this, so for banked road, what we have, v safe is equal to under root r g tan theta, v safe is equal to r g tan theta, ये फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास। तो इसमें वैल्यूज पुट करके 10 is equal to under root r is unknown into 10, g की वैल्यू 10 into tan 45, so 10 equals to under root r into 10 into 1, tan 45 is 1, squaring both sides, 10 square is equal to 10 into r, so r is equal to 10 meter, so the correct option is D. See the next numerical. A car is moving in a horizontal circular track of radius 40 meter with a constant speed of 72 kilometers per hour. A simple pendulum is suspended from the roof of car. If the length of the simple pendulum is 1 meter, what is the angle made by the string with the track? So we have to find out the angle made by the string with the track. So इसका एक फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, FBD. So see, the pendulum is suspended from the roof of car. So rigid support है and length is 1 meter. So this is the pendulum. This length is 1 meter. We will show the forces acting on this pendulum. The downward force is mg, the weight of the pendulum. Then the string will have tension T0. So we can resolve this into two components. One is horizontal and the other one is vertical. So horizontal component क्या होता है? T sin theta, and vertical component is T cos theta, right? And इसके ऊपर आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एक्ट करेगा, which can be also written as mv square by r, right? So this is the FBD of pendulum, which is suspended from the roof of car. So from this FBD we can write the forces which are balancing each other. So from this, T0 sin theta is balanced by mv square by r. T0 sin theta is equal to mv square by r, and T0 cos theta is equal to mg. So taking ratio, what we have, tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. So what is the value of v? So v is equal to 36 kilometers per hour. Sorry, it is 72 kilometers per hour. We need to convert it into meter per second. So 72 into 5 by 18 is equal to 20 meter per second, right? So putting values, v square is 20 into 20 divided by the value of r is 40 meter, 40 meter into the value of g is, we are taking as 10 meter per second. So from this, tan theta is equal to 1. So tan inverse of 1 is equal to 45 degree. So our correct answer is B, 45 degree. Next numerical. Metal sphere of mass 0.1 kg is attached to an inextensible string of length 130 cm, whose upper end is fixed to a rigid support. If the sphere is made to rotate in horizontal circle of radius 50 cm, the time for its one revolution is. So ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है कोनिकल पेंडुलम का, right? For conical pendulum, what is given, that inextensible string is attached the length of string is 130 centimeter, it's given. If mass is given 0.1 kg, then the horizontal circle of radius 50 centimeters, so this distance r is 50 centimeter. So this vertical, this angle is theta, and this vertical distance is L cos theta. Okay, so and from this geometry, this L cos theta is equal to 120. Now write down the given data. M is equal to 0.1 kg, then L is equal to 130 centimeter, R is equal to 50 centimeter. Then what is asked? T, the time required for one revolution, time period T. So time period T is given as 2 pi under root L cos theta by G. For conical pendulum, T is equal to 2 pi under root L cos theta by G. So putting values, we get T is equal to 2 into 3.142 under root L cos theta is 120 divided by G. So we have to convert this 120 into meter. T is equal to 2 into 3.142 under root 1.2 divided by 10. Squaring both sides, T square is equal to 4 into square of pi is approximate 10 into 1.2 divided by 10. So it get cancelled. T square is equal to 4.8, right? So T is equal to under root 4.8. कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो लेट अस सी दी ऑप्शंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 1.2 सेकेंड्स. सो 1.2 का स्क्वायर क्या आता है? 1.44. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. देन 2.2 सेकेंड्स, 2 का स्क्वायर कितना आता है? 4, राइट? सो 1.5 का स्क्वायर कितना आता है? 2.25. 3 का स्क्वायर 9. सो ये ऑप्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है, ए भी ऑप्शन पॉसिबल नहीं, और ए भी ऑप्शन पॉसिबल. सो पॉसिबल ऑप्शन इज 2.2. सो it is approximate 2.2 seconds.